Times moving fast. Too fast, if you ask me. We went from muscle cars that rattled your bones to, well, electric toasters on wheels. And guess what else is moving fast? Electric car production. Apparently, the future's silent, soulless, and quite frankly, a bit dull. And let's not forget, in the near future, we're possibly looking at the devaluation of petrol cars. Yes, the real cars, the ones that make proper noise. Now, let's be honest here. A few years ago, electric cars were just a joke. Some novelty item you'd see at tech expos between smart refrigerators and self-flying drones. But somehow they've become the new it thing. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid. All the hipster car brands that don't even sound like they belong on a racetrack. Take this Tesla, for instance. It's fast, yes, very fast. But it's like a souped-up appliance doing 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. No engine growl, no exhaust note, just a whirring sound like a blender trying too hard. Exciting? Well, that's debatable. Don't get me wrong, the numbers are impressive. But the soul of it? Completely missing. You don't feel anything. And while the world's raving about how fast electric cars are, I'm here to remind you about something else. Petrol cars. The glorious, roaring, fire-breathing machines we've been perfecting for over a century. The V8s, the V10s, and dare I say, the V12s that make your heart race. These electric things might be the future, but they're a future without passion. Let's be real for a second. Sure, electric cars are quick, efficient, and environmentally friendly. But where's the thrill? The drama? Where's the feeling of unleashing 600 horses and watching the world blur? Gone. Replaced by what feels like a very fast elevator ride. And you know what that means? It means that one day, possibly soon, petrol cars, the real cars, could be worth less than your smartphone. And all because the world suddenly decided it was more interested in silence than symphonies. Imagine this, it's 2030 and you're trying to sell your beloved petrol car. That machine you poured your heart, soul, and endless amounts of cash into. And guess what? No one wants it. Oh, but it pollutes, they'll say. It's so inefficient, they'll moan. Meanwhile, you're stuck watching people plug in their glorified laptops on wheels and pat themselves on the back for saving the planet. But let's not kid ourselves here. Yes, governments are pushing electric cars hard. Tax breaks, incentives, the whole 9 yards. But do you really think an electric car will ever replace the feeling of a petrol engine rumbling beneath you? Will it ever give you goosebumps as you redline it down a country road? I don't think so. Here's the thing though. Electric cars aren't going away. They're multiplying. Fast. Right now they make up a small percentage of the market, but soon they'll be half of it. Governments will force them on us. And petrol cars, well, they'll be like vinyl records, cool, vintage. And almost useless in the modern world. And if you think I'm overreacting, think again. By 2035, new petrol and diesel cars could be banned in half the civilized world. That's right. The glorious roar of combustion engines could be silenced, replaced by nothing. Sure, I get it. Electric cars have their perks. They're clean, quiet, and faster than a blink. But where's the soul? Where's the excitement? The connection between man and machine? We're trading in all that glorious noise and power for what? Silent efficiency? Well, count me out. Sure. I get it. Electric cars have their perks. They're clean, quiet, and faster than a blink. But where's the soul? Where's the excitement? The connection between man and machine? We're trading in all that glorious noise and power for what? Silent efficiency? Well, count me out. But I'll tell you this. For every electric car on the road, there'll still be someone like me, clutching the keys to their petrol-powered beast. Maybe someday we'll have to pay extra to drive them, pay to fuel them, but you know what? It'll be worth it. Because real cars, petrol cars, have something that electric cars never will: heart. And while the rest of the world plugs in, I'll be here, enjoying every last combustion-fueled moment. Electric may be the future, but petrol is forever.